Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Webflow to Airtable for CMS-driven UI step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Webflow website. Log into your Webflow account or create a new one if you don't already have an account. Once you are logged in, open the project where you want to connect Airtable. Go to the Settings panel of your Webflow project. Click on the Integrations tab located in the Settings. Now, open a new tab and go to the Airtable website. Log into your Airtable account or create a new one if necessary. Create a new base by clicking on the Add a Base button. Choose Start from Scratch to create a new base. Name your new base and click Create. Within the new base, set up your tables according to the data you wanted. Make sure to include relevant fields like text, images, or links. Once your tables are set up, click on the Share button in the top right corner of Airtable. Select Share publicly and then ensure that Create a Shared Link to the View option is enabled. Copy the public shared link to your Airtable base. Now, return to your Webflow project. In the Webflow Integrations tab, look for the Airtable Integration section. Paste the copied Airtable link into the designated field. If required, provide your Airtable API key, which you can find in your Airtable account settings. Next, click on Connect to establish the integration between Webflow and Airtable. Once connected, go back to your Webflow dashboard. Click on CMS Collections from the left sidebar. Select Add New Collection. Choose Airtable as the source for your CMS data. Map the Airtable fields to Webflow fields in the setup process. After mapping, click Save to finalize your CMS collection setup. Return to the Webflow Designer to create your UI. Drag and drop elements onto the canvas to build your desired layout. To add content from Airtable, select the appropriate element and connect it to your CMS collection. Style the elements as needed to match your branding. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.